Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 5th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Duluth Holdings, a lifestyle brand known for its workwear and outdoor apparel. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Duluth Holdings has just released their third quarter 2024 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their net sales figures to their strategic initiatives and future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Duluth Holdings reported net sales of $127.1 million for the third quarter, which is an 8.1% decrease compared to the same period last year. John, can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. The decline in net sales is primarily due to a decrease in both direct-to-consumer and retail store sales. Direct-to-consumer sales fell by 8.3%, largely driven by lower site conversion rates, while retail store sales decreased by 7.8% due to slower store traffic. Despite these challenges, the company managed to expand its gross margin by 210 basis points to 52.3%, thanks to their product and sourcing initiatives.
That's interesting. So even with a net loss of $28.5 million, there are some positive signs in terms of margin improvement.
Yes, the gross margin improvement is a positive takeaway, indicating that Duluth is effectively managing its cost structure despite the sales decline.
EPS forecast and actual results. Moving on to earnings per share, analysts had forecasted an EPS of 28 cents. However, Duluth reported an adjusted EPS of 41 cents. John, what does this tell us?
This indicates a miss on the EPS forecast by 0.13 cents. The adjusted EPS reflects the company's ongoing restructuring expenses and a valuation allowance on their deferred tax asset. While the miss is notable, it's important to consider the broader context of their strategic initiatives and the macroeconomic challenges they are facing.
Indeed, understanding the underlying factors is crucial. How many analysts were surveyed for this forecast?
There was only one analyst surveyed for this forecast, which can sometimes lead to a less comprehensive consensus.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies and future outlook. Duluth Holdings has a strong liquidity position with approximately $165 million. How is this impacting their operations?
The liquidity allows Duluth to continue investing in their strategic initiatives, such as their highly automated fulfillment center in Adairsville, which processed over 65% of their total network volume. This has significantly reduced their cost per unit to fulfill an order, and they expect to see a $1.2 million reduction in overhead expenses in the fourth quarter.
That's impressive. And what about their future sales guidance?
For fiscal 2024, Duluth is projecting net sales of approximately $640 million. They are also focusing on enhancing their product assortment and inventory management, which should support their long-term growth objectives.
Management commentary and strategic initiatives. John, what insights can you share from the management's commentary?
CEO Sato highlighted several key points. Despite the challenges, they saw a double-digit increase in digital traffic and growth in average order value. They're committed to managing inventory prudently and ending the fiscal year in a high-quality position. Looking ahead, they're focusing on strategic initiatives like the Enterprise Planning Initiative to enhance operational and strategic planning processes.
It sounds like they're taking a proactive approach to navigate the current challenges and position themselves for future success.
Exactly. Their focus on structural improvements and strategic initiatives is crucial for long-term sustainability and growth.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Duluth Holdings faced a challenging third quarter with a decline in net sales and a miss on EPS expectations. However, their gross margin improvement and strong liquidity position are positive signs. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
While the short-term challenges are evident, Duluth's strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies provide a solid foundation for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their execution in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Duluth Holdings' performance in the comments below.